Welcome to this video, 100 tips and tricks in ABAP, ABAP tip 15. In this video I would like to show and explain to you how you can easily switch between the style of the ABAP editor from the text-based editor to the source code-based editor. So basically the source code-based editor is the new ABAP editor, giving you more possibilities to code, to set up the ABAP editor, to use more functionalities. So here right now we are in the built-in ABAP editor in the object navigator in the SE80, and here you can see the text-based editor. So if I'm, for example, going to the change mode, and then if I'm writing something, then yeah, you can do this within here, but basically it doesn't give you any helps. Here you have also a toolbar to use some functionalities, to export, to save this, to undo and stuff like that. But if you would like to use more tools within the ABAP editor, then you should use the source code based editor. And you can switch between those two editors under utilities and then settings. And then here under ABAP editor and editor, you can select between the option and the style of the editor. So I would like to use the source code based editor. And as you can also see, switch of editor type requires that you restart the editor, just call the transaction once again. But you can also see that this option has been added on this list. Compared to the text-based editor. So in the source code-based editor, you can also flag error messages in source code-based editor. And this option you don't have basically. So let's switch. And here once again, if we just open up, for example, the ABAP editor and then go directly into the change mode, then here this will open up, giving you more chance to highlight the coding. Basically, you having more functionalities within here, setting breakpoints, using pattern, pretty printer, and so on. And what I also like, and therefore I'm putting me to the top right area, here in the bottom right area, you have also options within the editor for display, fonts, colors, code completion, code templates, for formatting, setting shortcuts for your keyboard, some settings for printing. So there you also have a lot of available options. And by said this, so I always prefer using the source code based editor. And yeah, let me know if there is anyone preferring the text-based editor. This would be quite funny. So by said this, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions left, please put them in the comment section. Please like this video and please do not forget to subscribe, because there are 85 useful videos left about ABAP tips and tricks. So thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.